With my pictures, I try to create some emotion, something which inspires you, which makes you laugh or create memories or it provokes something. I'm Ellen von Unwerth. I'm a photographer. Even growing up, I was always living in a kind of a dream world. I was modeling for 10 years and my boyfriend was a photographer. He gave me a camera. He said there's a plus, a circle and a minus. When the circle lights up, you shoot. And that was my photographic lesson. I started to shoot street photography. Suddenly I saw life in a different way. Really zooming into what's happening and capturing that moment, immortalize it. The Lennox Lounge, which I believe doesn't exist anymore. There's some pictures I did in Kenya, my first pictures. You feel the movement, you feel the energy, the beauty. Sometimes my pictures were out of focus and like with movement, but I love that too because you feel kind of the urge that I really wanted to capture that picture. Oh, my dentist. The moment you are with somebody and have somebody in front of the camera, you do go deep and you do try to bring out their personality and, show sides of them which maybe they don't even know. It's important to take risks. It's a kind of freedom and it's kind of source for happiness. Stay in tune with what's going on around you, to know what you're looking for. Every day is a reinvention.